This is the crocodile.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe. Oh gosh!
No! Go left! No! That is incinerate the back! No! Oh my god!
Oh,
Go! Oh my gosh!
they are like gigantic.
Please! Have mercy! Oh my gosh, the floor's gone! I mean, the place that's protecting us is gone.
Yeah, but you're still going.
We should have made it to the safe. Why did I pick the highest point?
Right, but the floor, you're kind of on your side, so it's still working.
Yeah, the whole floor's gone. So if anything bothers me, I will die.